may babatiin pala tayo na happy birthday, guys. Na si Mary Ann Official. Sis, happy birthday sa'yo. Kahit nandito ako sa kusina, busy ako, nag-greet ako sa'yo ng happy birthday. I hope you have many more birthdays to come, and more candles to do, and more subscribers, and more revenues of our YouTube channels. I hope na lumaki pa yung mga channel natin, diba? So, yan sis, laban lang tayo. Kung may mga pagsubok man, i-pray na lang natin yon, at saka wag na lang nating patulan yon, at saka mag-happy-happy na lang tayo sa YouTube, diba? Happy lang tayo sa YouTube. Diba sis? So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mary Ann. How young you are. Very sexy baby and very supportive baby. Thank you for our friendship. Thank you for your generosity. Yan kasi nandyan ka palagi sa mga live ko at sa mag-super chat. Salamat sa papag-members mo sa akin, sis. Thank you very much and God bless you all. Bye-bye, Mom. What's up?